see you again. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
I'm also, great. I was very excited to connect with you again because some of the people are really who touch my heart and I feel very good connection with them. So you are also one of them.
Thank you for giving this appreciation.
Oh, just nice. So nice of you, ma'am. So tell me, ma'am, how was your weekend?
Oh, my weekend is so busy, ma'am. There is a construction going on my house, so it was very
Okay.
busy.
So my goodness. So it is very difficult to take a session with your co-learner.
Yes, yes, but I want to take session with you.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
that's called the spirit. That's called the,
Yes, yes,
enthusiasm for this language, dedication, I would say.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, tell me, uh, anything that you have, achieved so far in English.
Ma'am, nowadays almost over, but now winter summer vacation is going on. So in summer vacation, we stayed here and there, met with relative, friends, parents, grandparents. So it's almost skipped my practice. It is not going well, but
Mhm.
still I try to continue. I try to on track nowadays. That's why I try to connect you.
Oh, no, but you are speaking well, ma'am. But, like we always said that consistency is the key of success, right?
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
somewhere in our subconscious mind, we are actually, like you said, that everything is skipped because the summer vacation is going on, right? Everything is skipped. But somewhere everything is, stored in our subconscious mind. The only thing is that we need to recollect it, right? Recall it and just, present it and portray it, deliver it.
Yes, yes. Try to recall and reconnect it. When now we are now lost our track, that time the things are going on related to our environment. And when
Mhm.
I met my friends and my relatives, my parents also, so that time the things going on all day long, these kind of things. And
Mhm.
I almost forget about the speaking this language and practice uploading the videos also. So it's a take time 2 3 days also, and my July will be very busy because the school almost reopen and my
Yes.
son's school also reopen. So it is tough to manage. I
Yes.
try to my best and learning new things and try to join just like you and other person, other co-learner. Try to get a feedback from other side.
Mhm.
So it is you well said, ma'am. Practice is the key tool. There is a no alternative. So I try to
But
this kind
ma'am,
of.
ma'am, Vijay, ma'am, I can see that you have 10 hands.
You can say people are usually say these kind of things. Say I try to manage my job, my household chores, kids also. So yes, I try to my best because I have a fancy toward this language and I want to provide also a English speaking environment my student also and I want to speak fluently, ma'am.
You are speaking, ma'am. You are speaking fluently. Let me just give you that compliment, please. Don't go with the don't go the kind of a underconfident. You are a confident person. You are a good speaker. Like I told you, you have 10 hands. That is invisible, right? That is
Yeah,
invisible,
yes, yes.
right? So
That's
you
right,
are
ma'am.
your
That's good.
dedication. Yes, yes.
Yes.
No worries.
Yes, yes. So it is happen with ma'am. I speak confidently with the co-learner, but when I speak in a gathering, in a
Mhm.
people gathering with my now colleagues also, that time I feel low of the confidence.
Ma'am, whenever you are going to connect with any that is my funda. I just want to share here. Whenever you are connecting with any co-learner or you are going in a, uh, party or you have to speak something, right? Everybody
Yeah,
get nervous. Everybody gets. We are the first of all, we are the human being, right? We feel like that our arms, our hands are like sweating, our mouth is getting dry that time, right? We feel
yeah.
like a blanks that time. We feel like a
People
blank,
like
feel like a
yes,
blank. So try to make that conducive environment around you. But how you will make that environment? Talking in a some different zone. Suppose let me just give you example. Somebody call you, Vijaya ma'am, can you please come on the stage and speak few word on that, right? So,
Yes.
right, so you can say first how do we start? First, we greet them, right? Good morning, yeah, good afternoon, whatever that time was, that time. You can greet them, first of all, right? Asking some general question. How was the day? How the day is going? Have you done something? Any productive? Try to make yourself comfort. Put yourself into that comfort zone and try to create that conducive environment around you.
Yeah.
आपको अपने आप को थोड़ा सा ना वो करना है, वो फील देना है कि यू आर
Yes.
कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन,
Yes.
राइट, एंड यू कैन स्पीक
I
दैट.
am comfort in this environment. Yes,
I
I
am
can
coming
do.
in this environment. So
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
the only thing, right? So not to worry about it. Practice makes a man perfect, right? So practice कीजिए, everything will be eradicate. So let's just start the conversation. So the topic we have in hand, that is, the activities.
Yeah.
Few that activities which is really helpful for the beginner, because beginner always have that kind of questions, where to start, how to start, grammar is first or speaking skill is the first. And sometimes people used to say that, ma'am, we have lot of thoughts, we have thought lot of thoughts in our brain. It is like we are driving a Ferrari car, but when it's come to the speaking, right, it like a car crash, right? So
Yeah.
I want to ask you, Vijaya ma'am, that what would be your first activity, right, that you would like to share with us, to my viewers?
Sir, according to ma'am, my opinion, first we should learn one word. Just
Mm-hmm.
like we learn the one word, new word. We take any word. Just we can take an effect or effect.
Yes.
We can two words. One
Uh-huh.
is the effect, is the you can say noun. Effect we can use as a verbs. No,
Mm-hmm.
so we can make different sentences. Also,
Mm-hmm.
we can also make a discrimination. How can
Mm-hmm.
we use
Yes,
that?
yes.
My opinion.
Okay. I totally agree with you that you are saying that we need to take a smaller, baby step. If you
Baby
are a
step.
business case, so we need to take a baby step, so that baby step, when you accumulate that baby step, then only
Yeah,
it will, then after that it will become a one step, right?
yeah,
So take a baby step if you want to learn this language. Okay, totally agree with you, ma'am. But here I would like to add a few points also. You are absolutely fantastic at your place, right? You explain it very well, I would say. So my activity is, first is, if you want to speak this language, first of all, you need to take a initiative from your home only. But how? You need to plan your day. First activity, the name is plan your day in English, right?
yeah,
If we are a professional, right, if we are a homemaker, if we are a mother, we always plan our day. If we have a right approach, if we have a plan, then we can only act upon, accordingly. So always plan your day English. For example, let me just give you example here. I'm a mother, right? I'm a mother, I'm a homemaker. So how would I plan my day? Well, like that. um I need to wake up around 4 o'clock. I'm an early bird. Then I need to rush to the kitchen. I have to prepare paneer ki sabji and the chapati and paratha. Then after that, when my kids, my husband, when they leave for their work, I'm the home minister of my home. I need to pamper myself. After that, I take a bath. I need to say my prayers. I have to go my market. I have to buy some vegetables. Again, I need to indulge myself into the kitchen work, like that, talking to yourself, because
yeah.
in every day we have lot of activity to do. If we
Yes.
have a certain plan, right, if we have a certain plan, if we will need a plan in our brain, speaking by it now, so it will really helpful to you, because in this
And we
language you
can
need
say
to
that it
speak.
is a scaffold of our day.
Yes,
Scaffold
yes.
of our day.
Yes, absolutely. This is a first activity here I would like to mention. And the second activity is, sorry, listen and repeat. Listen
Yeah.
and repeat. You need to listen. Select an audio, any conversational video, motivational video, whatever the choice of yours, interest, whatever you have interest. Select it, listen it attentively, carefully, right? And after that, once it is finished, don't go for the prolonged, बहुत lengthy नहीं लेना है आपको. Take a small video. Listen it
Yeah.
carefully, and after that, take a pause, collect all your thoughts, then speak on that particular topic. You can use any word. Don't
Yeah.
stick on that word, that whatever the word is in between the conversation, you have to use that one. No, whatever the randomly word is coming in your brain, go with that. That is the second activity. Don't, and in between, you need not to be worry about your mistake. Don't bother about your mistake. Go
Yeah.
with the flow. And the third activity is event narration. Now,
Yeah.
what is event narration? Event means any incident of your life. Go
Yeah.
to your memory lane, take any event, happy moment. Take a
What
happy
did you,
moment.
yeah, what did
Yes,
you yesterday? What kind of things have you done
yes,
last
your
week?
childhood memory, your trip memory, your school memory, your college memory. Remember it, recall it, and frame it. Because when we have a topic, Vijay ma'am, when we have a topic, and on top of that, when we have a knowledge of that topic, we can easily speak on that.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, ma'am. Very
We can
true.
easily generate the idea. So go with it. And the fourth one is diary, journal diary. You need to maintain that journal diary before going to the bed. Make a journal diary, whatever you gone through, whatever the emotional you went through the day. Write it down, your emotion, your English journey, whatever just coming in your head. Because when we write,
Yeah.
it reflects on our speaking skill.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Speaking is a spontaneous process, and writing is a deliberate process. When we
Yeah.
write, we get the time, we think, then we write. But when we speak, we don't too much take a thing. We just go with the flow,
Yes,
right?
yes.
If you have a perfect writing skill, now if you have that grip on your writing skill, it reflects on your speaking skill.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. If we now practice through the writing, the words comes automatically from our
Yes.
mouth.
Thank you so much, ma'am, connecting with me. It was
It's
always a
my
pleasure to
pleasure,
connect
ma'am.
with you.
Thank you for
Always
tuning.
pleasure to connect with you, and you share your experience. You, because you are an English teacher and you know it very well, because that is your arena.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. You give me this opportunity and appreciate me and increase my confidence, increase me. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, till then, goodbye. Keep practice.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Okay, bye.
great day. Bye, bye.